Hi there, it's Luke from Razorfish. Going to do a quick walkthrough of the Barcelona application for you. What you see here is the attract mode. We've got a nice big call to action so that people understand touched it. To start the application, we really want to make sure that that's a prominent part of the attract mode, along with the marketing that we have going on here. So you simply touch anywhere to start, and the device comes up with the lock screen in place. You can learn a little bit about the application by tapping on the various buttons at the bottom, and it will give you a little bit of information. We've also got an info button here that will give you sort of a high-level overview of what they're looking at, and some little instructions on, hey, if you ever want to get back to the home screen, just tap the Windows icon. So once you unlock the screen, you can simply scroll up and down just by simply dragging the gestures. You'll see that all the tiles are here from the application. We've got some live tiles updating basically sort of that notification feature, so they're updating as time goes on. We've got a lot of little animations happening, trying to bring a lot of that up to the level of this version of the emulator. You'll see that we also have things like when you tap, you're going to see, we've got definitely the 3D pivoting happening with the different tiles. Obviously, I can simply touch a tile, and we've got the whole transition over into the experiences. What you're seeing here is basically we've got these chapter markers in the videos, and they sort of walk you through the various videos to let users understand what they're looking at. We added a little touch point over here so that users understood, sort of this is automated, that's not something they can interact with at this point. But simply can jump around, look at the various elements. We've got the phone sort of just swings in, the pivot in there. We've got another hub that we have built out is the picture hub. Obviously, all of the assets that we received in the After Effects files are here. Tells a little bit of the story around how pictures works. We also have the games hub, and it'll obviously advance through here, telling a little bit of the story around games. Some of the other big hubs are the music and video hub is in here. Obviously, again, more chapter markers to kind of walk through the story of that. There are some videos that, again, we're just sort of showing the transition. So like on calendar, it's just simply, transitioning over to that page. We don't really have a lot of content at this point for that yet, but hopefully as next version we'll be able to do that. Obviously, I've got the Me card. I'm going to walk through its video, and I've got the search feature, so I can show people, how search works, tell the whole story around how the search is contextual and all those types of things. So again, these assets aren't live, emulated yet. Hopefully the next version we'll get a chance to really build everything out. But as you can see, we've got a lot of the little things, the subtleties like the bounce, and even the swipe across to get to the application screen. Obviously none of these are active right now, but users will get an understanding of what's going to be available to them, and that kind of thing. So that's it in a nutshell, and I hope you enjoy. Talk to you soon. Bye.